Part B of question 7, we've got the volume of revolution part, and it's going about the x-axis. So remember the x-axis, you're looking at the integral of pi y squared dx. Now, y is this thing here that you've been given. That looks pretty horrible. But you want to find out what y squared is, so we need to square this whole thing. So, well, squaring 8 gives us 64. Squaring x gives us x squared, and squaring that thing there gives us sine 4x. Now that looks very similar, doesn't it? That looks very familiar to what we did earlier, which is why I've written that big bit there. What we're looking for. So let's take the pi out. Let's take the 64 out as well. 64 pi, the integral from 0 to 0.2 of x squared sine of 4x dx. So we've got 64 pi, and we know what this thing integrates to give because we did it earlier. X squared over 4 cos of 4x plus x over 8 sine of 4x plus 1 over 32 cos of 4x. And we've got to put in 0.2, and we've got to put it in 0. Of course, we're making sure that we're in radians mode as we do this, and filling in those values there. The final answer is 0.299. I think I'll leave you just to tap it into the calculator.